popular key-lock suspended ceiling system provides the framework for a concealed ceiling lining. The system allows you to install directly to the structure above or as a fully suspended system. This video will take you through the installation of a fully suspended ceiling system. The system is suitable for fire-rated acoustic, internal pressures and seismic applications. However, please note, downstrutting has been omitted in this video, which is required for internal pressures. Step 1. Install the wall trim. Fix wall track around the perimeter of the ceiling. The first fixing should be no more than 100 mm from the end, with a maximum of 600 mm spacings between each fixing thereafter. Step 2. Install the suspension components. Start by inserting the suspension clip into the suspension rod. Then install the suspension rod brackets to the substrate. We have brackets suitable for fixing concrete, timber trusses and steel purlins. Next, hook the suspension rod and the suspension clip that you have pre-assembled through the fixing hole of the bracket. Adjust the suspension clip to the correct level by squeezing together the tabs with your fingers. Step 3. Install the ceiling grid components. Secure the top cross rail to the suspension clips. Join each top cross rail end to end with a section joiner, ensuring joins are staggered. Fit the interchange clip to the furring channel by firmly squeezing both sides to lock into place. Push the interchange clip into the top cross rail, ensuring the clip is fully engaged. Join furring channels by cutting one end to allow the furring channels to slide into each other. Ensure joins are staggered. Your Rondo KEY-LOCK concealed ceiling system is now ready for the nominated ceiling linings. The Rondo KEY-LOCK concealed suspended ceiling system can be designed for all seismic requirements. Our free and fixed perimeter fixing options are designed for ceiling areas up to 144 square meters, subject to seismic actions. Our one-direction bracing option is great for long rooms with smaller widths, such as corridors. Lastly, our bracing in both directions layout is perfect for larger ceiling areas with higher seismic loads. In this application, our KEY-LOCK ceiling system has equally distributed braces throughout the ceiling and free connections to all perimeters. For more information on our KEY-LOCK concealed suspended ceiling system, visit our website.